No, 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 not my off-white tag. Stop it. Stop it, Jamie. Nope.
They say into your early life, romance came, and it came, and it came, and it came, and it came.
Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. This is Melvin, and today I'm finally going to talk something that is not Adidas. This is the Acronym X Nike Air Presto Mid. I almost said X Adidas, but you know, old habit. Did I mention the word Air? This is the Acronym X Nike Air Presto Mid. Acronym is an independent design agency, but while doing my research, I was actually more drawn into the history of the Air Presto. So this is something that you might not know. I guess you must have heard the name Tinker Hatfield. He is the legendary Nike and Air Jordan designer. But have you heard of his brother? The Air Presto is the brainchild of the other Hatfield, Toby Hatfield. Just thought you guys should know. So I got these on launch day, 20th of September, same day where I received an early access invitation for the Yeezy 350 V2 triple whites. But I told myself if I could only pick one shoe for this week, or rather this is actually my third purchase this week, I limited myself to just one more pair. I decided to go ahead with these and not the Yeezys. But anyway, like everybody who tries to get a pair of shoes, I went to Nike's website. They did the countdown as usual. You know, I keep refreshing and stuff. You know, this just a game, you know, of copying shoes. So intense, and I did manage to cop it. Yeah, of course, at retail. And the best part of all, Nike Singapore actually pack it and ship it out to their courier within the very same day. So I got these at my doorstep probably within 24 hours. I don't know how does it compare with other countries, but this isn't too bad. And wait a minute, I think someone's at the door. I'll be right back. So this just arrived. It's something from Adidas Consortium. For those who have been following my Instagram, especially the IG stories, you will probably guess what that shoe might be. But let me talk about that in the next video. Back to the Prestos. Right, so first impressions, the color really pops. It's one of those shoes that look better than the promotional photos. The entire upper is a lightweight mesh. It's soft, it's stretchy. I believe very breathable as well. So there are 3 colorways in this current collaboration, but out of the 3, this is the one that really stands out. Well, at least to me. I'm just blown away by the color combination, the pink and the blue. The case itself, look at that, it's just wacky, it's wild. I love these. So this isn't the first Acronym Nike Air Prestos. They had one a couple of years ago. This time around it's just a different colorway. Every function seems to be similar with the previous one, including this over here. The zippers do exist in the regular Air Presto Mids. One thing to note, these zippers actually have 2 positions. When it's up, it's actually unlocked. When it is down, can you hear the click sound? It actually holds everything in place. I don't have a lot of Nike shoes, but all of them are in US 9.5. These don't come in half sizes, so I got them at size 10. And they fit great, maybe even better with thicker socks, but this will do. So the color pops, the fit is great, despite not being my original size. It's half a size up, it's fine. But I do have one big problem, and that is with its quality. The paintwork is pretty uneven. You know, it's being severely mass produced, where the quality control isn't well managed. I do have these Jordan 3s. They came in perfectly fine. I couldn't find any manufacturing problems. Yeah, these were great, including the Air Force ones. Looking at this, the stitching, everything is alright. The fabric is okay. yeah, it's more of the paintwork. Maybe the paintwork was a challenge for the manufacturer. But just when I want to be a bit more forgiving, I realize these glued on Duralon outsole, they are not exactly aligned. They have some like recess or gaps that shows the exposed glue marks. I don't know. You know, please feel free to share your thoughts on the comment section. However, despite of that, I think the uniqueness, the boldness of this shoe makes up for its shortcomings, and I still really like these. It could have been perfect, but oh well. And this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. You guys take care. Peace.